Hey guys, I just wanted to make this quick video to kind of show you how you can quickly solve probably a lot of the issues you have if you were working on older versions and you're upgrading to a newer version and all of a sudden you can't install canisters or start a new DFN node. It's likely due to the checkpoints, and there have been a couple posts on this before, but I just like a week ago somebody DM'd me and asked me where exactly this folder was and if there was like a specific directory that they needed to delete. But so I just wanted to show you exactly where this is and what to do, so there's no need to clarify any further. So we're basically going to look for our root file system folder, and I'm running Linux, by the way. So once you're in your root file system folder, you should see a bunch of these directories that should look something similar. And what the SDK does is it saves a lot of directories and temporary directories and files within this folder called temp. So in your root file system folder, you're going to want to find your temp folder and switch into it, like I did here. Now let's see here. And as we can see here, we have a whole bunch of folders in here. But the main one that we want to look for is this checkpoints folder. And this one, you can just delete it outright and delete all the, and you'll want to delete all the subdirectories. And sometimes when you delete this folder, you will find that you need certain privileges to delete it. So let's see, and we want to do this. We want to delete all subdirectories, and we want to delete checkpoints. Let's put in my password. Now let's check it out. And it's gone. And deleting that really does no harm at all. It's just basically a snapshot of where you left off, which is why sometimes you can run into issues if you are upgrading and all of a sudden you can't install a canisters or start a new node or any other reasons. First things first, I would go and check your checkpoints folder. If it does exist there, delete it. And if for whatever reason you cannot delete it, sometimes even if you're running as the admin, you might see something where you are unable to delete it. And if that's the case, you want to restart your machine. And then once you restart your machine, that should give you a new that should reset it to the point where the administrator has rights to delete it. So pretty simple video, pretty simple fix for anybody out there who cannot either install new canisters that they have once they've upgraded to a new release version, or start a node. And I do want to point out that it was mentioned by the SDK team that they are planning on creating an easier way in the future to basically delete the checkpoints folder without having to go into your root file system temporary folder and delete it manually. So just be aware of that. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you around next time.